Hello students, this is your English teacher Manoj Kumar Verma. Today I am going to teach you letter of complaint. Before starting I would like to ask, what is a letter of complaint? As you know that a letter of complaint is a type of letter written to address any type of wrongdoing, offense, grievance, resentment, etc., arising out of a product or service. Complaint letters are used to raise your concern about unfair things and seek a productive outcomes. This is what the letter of complaint is. So let's see that what is written in letter of complaint. A letter of complaint could be against a social problem like child labor, dowry deaths, illiteracy. Okay. The second, public menace like garbage dumps and noise pollution. Poor services by an agency or organization. Defect in product purchased and non-attendance of earlier complaint. So second is that how to write an effective complaint letter. In order to write an effective complaint letter, you should write the date of purchasing in a proper way. The content should be clear and concise. Don't write any angry, sarcastic or threatening words in letter. Include the copies of relevant documents like receipts, work order and warranty card. Now boys, I am going to make you understand about the format of letter writing, complaint letter. Format of complaint letter. Before starting a letter, you should write down the sender's address and date. As here it is written, IG Colony, Patna. Then keep the space and write down the date, Tuesday 28 July 2020. This is what the sender's date and address. Second is receiver's address and his or her designation. Okay, so receiver's address will be like this. The designation: the manager, Gyan Ganga Private Limited, Patna. Gyan Ganga Private Limited, Patna, as you are seeing over here. Okay, so then after giving a little bit space, you have to come to the subject. In the subject, you can write complaint against. What you want to complain, you have to write down here. Okay, then there is a salutation. After giving a little bit space, you have to write down salutation. Salutation can be written like sir or madam. If you don't know the person, you can write the sir and madam, and if you know the person, you can write dear sir and dear madam in salutation. Then we will write down the give the space and write down the body of letter. Body of the letter is introduced in the three different paragraphs. First paragraph introduction, second is explanation, third is conclusion. I will tell you later what is written in introduction, explanation and conclusion. Okay, so then give the space. After giving a little bit space, you have to write down yours sincerely or yours truly. If you know the person, you can write yours sincerely or yours truly. If you don't know the person, you can write yours faithfully if you don't know the person. And then you have to write your signature. Signature should be there, and after that enclosure should be there by using suppose that in enclosure you can put receipt, receipt and guarantee or warranty card or memo number. Okay, so let's see that what is in the introduction, what is in the introduction, what is explanation, and what is conclusion, what should be written over here. So second is that when we write down the conclusion, starting how to start a complaint letter. How to start a complaint letter? In order to start a complaint letter, you should start like this. There are the many points I have written over here, that among these three are very important. You can start like this: through this letter of mine, I would like to complain against whatever, against what you want to complain, you have to write down. Or you can start like this: I am writing to inform you of my dissatisfaction with, what is dissatisfaction with, you have to write down over here. And or you can start like this: I am writing to inquire about, what you want to inquire. Then there is a there is the next point is that conclusion. So conclusion should be some phrases are used in the conclusion. The phrases used for conclusion, if you want to conclude, you can write down: I look forward to receiving your response as soon as possible. Or you can end like this: please do not hesitate to contact me if you have any more questions. Okay, but what is written I just told you in the how to start and how to end, but now I'm going to let you know about what is written in the description. My dear students, here you look very carefully. So here the phrases used to describe the problems. You can describe the problem by this: I had problem in. What is the problem you are writing? You should write down over here. Second is, whenever you write down in the description, you should write down the problem you are suffering from, and you should write down the memo number also. So, and second, you can just write the description on this way: on March 1st, I just what you have done on that particular date, and what problem arises, you have to write down in description. And now that you just shoot the solution, and what solution you want to, some phrases are used for the solution also. In the solution, you can write down: please find attach a copy of invoice, or just whatever the copies of invoice you want to ask, just you have to write down over here. Or would you please ask you to, whatever you want to ask, you can write down over here. Okay, this is how we will write down. My dear student, one thing also I would like to tell you: this is the letter. It should be written in a very humble way, very politely and simply, so that your message, your complaint should reach to the concerned person easily. Don't, this is not the matter of fight. This is a matter of right only. So be careful while you are writing. Use humble word, give the detailed description with the enclosures, and I am sure that you can write down the video, write down your essay, you write down your letter clearly. There would be no problem. And one more advice I would like to tell you, that carry on your just practice of different type of complaint later. Till then, thank you very much.